9 Acres RV here coming to you with a leftover 2022 that is going to be the deal of the year. Folks, don't tell my boss, but we kind of forgot about this one. For almost 6 months, it was never online, never up for sale. Just hanging out in the corner of the lot. I must have been on vacation that week. Okay, what are we doing? We're slashing the price, plus offering 5.99% financing. For you cash buyers out there, it's either you go with the low rate of 5.99 or we give you a free 7-year comprehensive warranty. All right, let's keep going. Let's see what you're getting for that. 2022 Forest River Wildcat. It's a 369MB. Now the MB stands for Mid-Bunk. So this is a family unit. We got 2 AC units up top. This is a 50 amp power cord to it. We got 2 power awnings with LED lights, alloy wheels, solid steps, fully automatic leveling system. Out back, we are prepped for a backup camera. We got 3 more slides over this side. Back here for the living area. This one here for the mid-bunk. Another one here for the master bedroom with a king-size bed. Got ourselves a wet bay storage. Take a look here, folks. Aluminum construction out front. It is prepped for a solar panel. There's your automatic leveling system. This is not half-ton towable, so you will have to get a 3/4 ton at minimum. Oh yeah. Check this out. Got ourselves a mini fridge over on this side. Does have the underbelly insulation. All right, let's go in. Folks, I do want to point out, I'm sure you can hear from the microphone, there's lots of wind today, so I didn't bring the awnings out all the way. All right, we are now in the Wildcat 369MB. Okay, 4 chairs and a table. Take a look at the nice wooden balances. They have roller shades throughout. Theater seats that are massaging and power operated. Like so. That looks comfy. Windows all over, extra wide sofa here in the back that definitely converts into a bed. Storage up top. Beautiful fireplace here that does throw some heat on those chilly nights. TV comes with 40-inch TV. Take a look at this little party trick. Storage right behind it. Gotta like that. Greystone stove, 3 burners, microwave, nice big pantry. We got solid surface countertops throughout, super large sink. Yeah, there's the mid-bunk for the kids. Okay, this is a 12-volt fridge by Norco. Oh my goodness, I've only been plugged in here for about 15 minutes. And that's already super cold. A little bit more pantry space right here. More up top. Absolutely beautiful. Okay, kids. Mid-bunk next. Yeah, let's take a look at that. I definitely see a TV right here for them. Lots of storage here for clothes. There's your sofa. That is a scissor bed, so that turns into a bed. Bunk number 2, and of course that can clip upwards like so for additional headroom. Love it. Great spot here for sneakers down low. All right, now in the hallway, You do have a nice closet right at the entry. Now, above the mid-bunk is a loft. Kids want to bring friends along? No problem. Here's your control panel, all your lights, your 4 slides, 2 awnings. Bathroom up next. Again, with solid surface countertops. Love with that fan. We do have a ceramic toilet right here. Storage. Nice. Shower with a corner seat. Skylight. Next, bedroom. Master bedroom. See, it does have its own slide. Opposing windows for great cross ventilation. This is definitely a king size bed, folks. Oh yeah, your second AC unit. Controls. Little spot there to put your cell phones at night. There's another spot for a TV. Up front, we're in the front cap. That's for your shoes. This is essentially a walk-in closet. I can walk right in here, no problem. Oh yeah, look at that! We're prepped for a washer and dryer. You can live in this thing. That's great. Okay, folks, if you're looking for a deal, 5.99% financing until the end of the year. That's 2023. Or, if you don't want that, we'll give you a 7-year comprehensive warranty. Plus, we're not selling this for the MSRP, which is just over $125,000. We're still going to sell it at $99,900. Plus the low rate. Or the extended warranty. Does it get better than that? It's the price you got to pay when you forget about a unit. 80 Commerce Street, Moncton, New Brunswick. We'll see you soon.
If you like what you see, please give us a call at 388-5751, or you can send us a text, email, and we can even do FaceTime with you if you want to see more.